Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am comparing two smartphones. One of them is LG Nexus 5 while the other one is Xiaomi eLife S7. Xiaomi launched the eLife S7 in India at a price tag of rupees 24,999 while the Nexus 5 cost rupees 33,432 GB. Right now it is available at a price tag of nearly 27,000. On specifications front, Xiaomi eLife S7 features 5.2-inch AMOLED display which has a resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels, and above all the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass version 3. While the Nexus 5 features 4.95-inch Full HD display, the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Clearly the resolution of both the devices are same, and the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The advantage on Xiaomi eLife S7 is that it has a bigger display when compared with LG Nexus 5. The front camera of LG Nexus 5 is of 8 megapixel camera while the front camera of LG Nexus 5 is of 1.3 megapixel camera. Clearly on front camera, Xiaomi eLife S7 is the winner. Above the display on Xiaomi eLife 7 there is range of sensor, speaker grill, and 8 megapixel front camera. While on the LG Nexus 5 there is a 1.3 megapixel camera, speaker, and range of sensors. The navigation button are part of the display on both the devices. On left hand side there is a micro SIM card slot on LG Nexus 5 and a power key, while on the right hand side on Xiaomi eLife 7 there is a volume key and power key. At the back of the device there is a 8 megapixel camera with LED flash on LG Nexus 5 with there is a Nexus branding, and you can see the LG logo as the hardware is manufactured by LG. While the Xiaomi eLife S7 features 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, there is a Xiaomi branding and a mic at the back. On the left hand side there is a volume rocker key on LG Nexus 5 while there is a micro SIM card dual SIM card slot on Xiaomi eLife S7. There is no as such. The Xiaomi eLife S7 is a dual SIM device while the LG Nexus 5 is a single SIM device. At the top of the device there is a 3.5mm audio jack and a mic on LG Nexus 5 while there is nothing as such on Xiaomi eLife S7. At the bottom there is a micro USB slot for data transfer and charging on both the device, and the micro USB slot is sandwiched between the dual speakers on LG Nexus 5 while there is a micro USB slot for data transfer and charging, a speaker, and 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom of the device on Xiaomi eLife S7. The Xiaomi eLife S7 is powered by 1.7 GHz octa-core processor. It's a MediaTek MediaTek MT6752, while the LG Nexus 5 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 processor which clocks at 2.2 GHz. Clicking on the notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings on LG Nexus 5 while there are no as such on Xiaomi eLife S7. The Nexus 5 runs on Android version 5.1.1, while the Gioni eLife S7 runs on Android version 5.0 with Amigo 3.0 UI on top of it. The LG Nexus 5 packs 2300 mAh battery, while the Gioni eLife S7 has 2750 mAh capacity. Both the devices supports 4G LTE network, and apart from this, both the device comes with usual connectivity features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 4.0, GPS, etc. Talking about the build quality of the device, both the devices are nice, have pretty good build quality. The Gioni eLife S7 has Corning Gorilla Glass protection front and back. Above all, it follows the parallel lines theory of Helvetic. It's the design of the Gioni eLife S7 is pretty nice and decent. Nearly at a price tag of rupees 25,000, both the devices are pretty good. The advantage of buying Nexus 5 is that it is the first device which will receive the Android update on priority basis, while the Gioni eLife S7 has better build quality. It is stylish, but the disadvantage is that there is no word on the update, and you will have to wait for the update so that you can try the latest version of the Android operating system. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.